Let me show you the way that you invest in fractional shares inside of Robinhood. A stock that you're trying to buy is high value and you do not have the money right now to purchase a single share. There is something called fractional shares, which lets you buy shares in form of dollar amounts. Now to set up these fractional shares, you just open up and find the stock that you're trying to buy and tap on trade on the bottom right and select the buy option. From here, it's going to show you the market order. Now, in order for you to invest into fractional shares, make sure that it is set to dollars on the top right. If yours is not set to dollars and is set to shares, you can easily tap on this option on the top right. And this menu will open up. The first two options, as you can see, is buy in dollars and buy in shares. So make sure to tap on the dollars right here. This way you can add in the exact dollar amount and then tap on review. This way in the next screen you'll be able to see the exact number of shares that you are buying for the dollar amount that you just added in. This way you do not need to buy a whole share of a particular stock. You can also do it from dollar amounts, which lets you buy a fraction of a particular share. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next one.